So, this is an interview, Roddy, about your school. What was the name of your school?
Esprit.
Esprit what?
International.
Okay, and does that sound like the school in Dublin?
No.
It does. Because what's the same? It's an international school. Yeah?
Yeah.
So one's Esprit International, another one is?
It is International School of Dublin.
Yeah, that's right. Okay, now, which country was Esprit International in?
America.
Okay, and can you remember what state it was in?
United States.
No. In the United States of America? Yeah, but this state called?
Texas.
Texas! And we've got now, what's this?
America flag.
No, this is the Texan
Okay,
flag.
yes.
Yeah? Okay, so your school was?
America.
Esprit International in Texas,
Yes.
America. Yeah, okay.
America.
Now, Roddy, sit down. Can you tell me what the name of your teacher was at Esprit?
Miss Audrey.
Miss Audrey. And did you like Miss Audrey?
Yes.
Was she nice?
Yes.
Okay, what did you like about Miss Audrey?
That she,
Tell? Okay, never mind. Okay, tell me, Roddy, what was the same about your school in America?
that we
When you were leaving?
they both gave us a leaving thing.
So that you could remember the school.
Yes.
That was the same. Okay, and what was different about the International School of Dublin and Esprit?
That we
At Esprit, you go home at what time?
3:40,
And at the International School of Dublin, you go home at?
3 o'clock,
Which is better?
3.
I think 3 o'clock's better because then you get to go home earlier.
Yeah.
Yeah? And also there was one other different thing about your school in America and your school here.
Here, my mom works here, and there she didn't.
Okay, and can you tell the International School of Dublin, what did you like at doing at Esprit?
My maps.
Tell more about your maps.
That you had to do. It was like a little jigsaw, you don't have to do it for like choice. You can also do it for walk.
And you got to prick the shapes of the countries, didn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, very good. Is there anything else you want to tell about your school in Esprit?
No.
No? And maybe we want to take that book in again with all your friends.
Yes.
Shall we do that? Well done, Roddy. Okay. Want to see it back now?